In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Select Continue as your Google account or use without an account. And wherever you decided, hit Add Contact. Then tap on the one that you wish to set up and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. When you finished, you can click Reorder at the top right corner, establish a perfect one, and tap Save at the top right corner. To remove any of your contacts, use this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!